Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a tool that will save you a ton of time if you work with databases or Excel files. If someone sends you a big Excel table and you need to turn it into SQL scripts, it can take forever. But not anymore. With tabletoSQL.com, you just upload your table, choose the script type, like update, and in seconds you get all your SQL code ready to go. No installs, no complicated steps. Let me show you how it works so you can see how fast and easy it is to turn your data into SQL.
Here's our Excel file, filled with multiple sheets and tables. We go to tabletoSQL.com, upload the file, and within seconds, all the tables appear ready to use. We simply set the table name, choose Update, select the fields we want to modify, and the key fields for the condition. With one click on Generate Script, all the SQL is created automatically. We press Copy Script, paste it into the database. And that's it. Complete updates in seconds without writing a single line of code.
Stop wasting time doing manual SQL work. Go to tabletoSQL.com right now. Upload your Excel table, select the script type, and get clean SQL code instantly. Fast, accurate, and zero hassle. If you want real productivity, this is the tool. Try it now. tabletoSQL.com.